Okay, in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can make videos with the Notebook LLM. Very simple, very easy. I'm a type of guy, I don't like to complicate stuff for people to learn. I don't need to take time. I'm going to get straight to the point and you're going to understand it straight away. Okay, so I'm going to show you an example of this video, yeah? So, yeah.
You always hear the Federal Reserve prints money. It's a mechanism called quantitative easing. Because in a crash like 2008, dropping interest rates to zero isn't enough to save the system. Take a major commercial bank. Its vault is completely frozen, stuffed with toxic subprime mortgages. Because its wealth is trapped in radioactive financial garbage, the bank has zero liquid cash, which means no money for payrolls or new mortgages. The whole economy jams. The Federal Reserve desperately needs to...
Basically, these are informative videos, and you can do this very, very, very easily. There's nothing about being an expert. It's just straight to the point. Boom, boom, boom. I'm gonna show you how it's done. Okay, first things first, let's create a notebook. Okay, so what do we want? Okay, we can do multiple things. First, what is Notebook LLM? It's just a place where it's a large language model. That's why it's called Notebook LLM. And what it is that you just put information in this place and it just does it breaks down research for you, XYZ, for you to understand, blah 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 blah. Here we're going to talk about shorts only. Maybe another video where we're going to talk about other stuff, wherever the rest of them should be. Okay, so first thing what we want to do is we want to go and find a topic where we want to research. So any research, let's go on ChatGPT and straight up give me random topics to research about. Okay, to research about in the current economy. Okay, so why younger generations become poorer than the previous generation, just find more. Boom. Let's get this. Let's copy and paste here Google and see what comes up. Okay. We find this video. Simple as.
Hey, isn't it crazy that Gen Z is struggling more financially than older generations? Wait, no, what Gen Z?
Whatever. Go back to Notebook LLM and paste the source here. Boom. Break this video down for me. Okay, so you got your videos, XYZ, blah 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 blah. You got your information, then you're gonna go on video overview, and then it's gonna say here, okay, cool. Make me a short. So then that's what you wanna do is just go on ChatGPT, copy that, paste it here, boom, generate. That's it. I'll come back to you as soon as this video finishes. We are back and the video is done. Boom. Let's check it out.
Why do young adults feel so broke despite earning the highest starting salaries in history? It's all about purchasing power. A paycheck is meaningless without knowing what it can buy. Take a Gen Z worker making $55,000 today versus a boomer making $10,000 in the 70s. Back then, that $10,000 salary easily covered major milestones. A brand new home only cost 2 to 3 times their annual income. But watch the illusion of nominal income growth. As millennials entered the workforce, their paychecks got numerically larger, but the cost of housing grew disproportionately faster. By the time they hit the post-recession market, a house demanded 5 times their starting salary. This divergence hits its absolute peak with Gen Z. Despite earning the highest raw dollars, their housing multiplier has reached 6 times their income, giving them the worst real-world bang for their buck of any generation. Because that income is instantly consumed by inflated rent and debt, the capacity to actually save and build wealth has been structurally eliminated. And that's exactly why the American dream of a single-income family buying a home feels entirely out of reach today, no matter how big that salary looks.
This is how you can create endless amount of content. You just find an informative video, whatever you want to call it, and boom, that's it. You just copy the video, paste it on Notebook LLM, research on find out topics you can generate from this video, and boom, just ask LLM to make the video for you, and that's it. You got your video sorted. There's nothing to even like worry about. But you can go even a step further by animating, asking maybe like stickman characters and stuff like that. This is the stuff you can do with this. So anyways, this is my session done. Hopefully I can see you in the next video.